gago dito. Here we go, guys.
Nag-strategize kami ni Polo. Mauna kami sa taas, tapos pababa.
Sa tayo muna. Left, right, left, right.
Right.
Public space. Counted ba CR?
Ang hirap niya kasi hindi ko mahanap.
Diyan, daming tao. Parang hihirap naman ito maghanap.
Sobrang daming tao, so we needed to scoot and skedaddle, you know?
Where's the way?
Up.
Here.
Lumabas kami. May nakita akong parang mini flag. Ko yun na yun. May flag eh. Yung ginagawa nun doon. Here. Ito.
Yay! Si Jo Marie yung type ng guy na pag nakita mo na, ay, cool to. Komportable ako. Ganun.
Pwede po ba
Can you take a picture of us, please? Like this. Thank you.
Jog all the way.
Ew! I mean, I'm not shy kay Polo. Polo isn't shy to me.
Do you go here?
Kaya ba yan?
Go here?
Left yan, left.
Yeah, here.
Excuse me, can we ask for a picture?
Can you take a picture of us?
Like this?
Just like this? Okay. Thank you.
Tumingin ka sa akin, ha? Paratingin yan.
Huwag ka tumingin sa akin, ako titingin. Sa taas na lang tayo.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi sobrang open din niya, sobrang kalug pala niya.
Rich! Sorry.
Hindi ako naging game plan. Chill lang.
Ano yung itsura na?
Ito! Hi!
Can you ask for help, please?
Can we ask for a picture?
For a picture? Yeah. Thank you so much.
Bigyan ko natin.
Si JC, pawis na siya, pero hindi nahuhulas yung foundation na since birth meron siya. Chat lang.
So me and Ron, we tried to think of a strategy na dapat mag-start kami from the top to the bottom. Pero parang narinig kasi namin sa ibang pairs na mag-start na sila sa top, pababa. Sabi, okay, sige, let's start at the ground floor para wala tayong makabanggaan.
I'll meet you at the other side.
Doon sila galing eh.
Ay! Run!
Nakita ko si Danny na nag-effort na habulin ako, na mabilis, yung ganyan. So, parang doon pa lang okay na ako. Pero sabi ko lang naman, hindi kami magiging panalo. Sana, hindi kami yung last.
Tama ba?
Do it first.
Ako para to, parang magka-crash out na ata ako. Ron, ako na ako. Hindi to, kaya yan.
My brain is not braining. Like this. Yan. You have to click it. No, you have to do this. This guy. Yes. Excuse me.
Can you help us to take a picture?
Okay.
Like this.
Hold it here. Come here.
Thank you.
Ganun ka. Yes, like lower.
There you go. Found it.
Nice. Bridge. Ayun!
Ayun.
Here.
One, two,
Thank you. Okay. Stop the clock!